Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kum shibenta man pen klanya katanat pulit jong kajilna, katanat pulit henne kasngi, kat sao terik ubenai kelaling kot arajar arpulai, kala penlong ye kajing pediang sngobha ban kintup lang sha ka Mega Shakti Women Commando Warriors jong ka SF10. Ya gani kasngi lawan man sakhilang no menteri rangba kajilna u Konrad Konggol Sangma, kajing idon lang u menteri katanat ki kampo ing kajilna u ba lakmen rumbui, u Chief Secretary ba DP Walang, DGP Dr. LR Bishnoi bat kiwei ki hair officer. Haba keren hegani kasngi na kalyang jong menteri katanat ki kampo ing kajilna u ba lakmen rumbui ula ong, katanat pulit jong kajilna Meghalaya kala yak ya kalinti kabajingai ha kini kisan post nem bala dem. Kajing treshitom kabakila peni lingba kajingla jongki kamtam hakabayade bat kajing te lakam hakino kino kijing yakhi bat kiwei ula ong bagani gade kasngi kabakerpang namar kani gade kasin kabaningkong balakin thup lang yi Kynthei ha kakinhon jong ka SF10 nakaliang menteri rangba kajilna Konrad Sangma habakren gani kasngi ula penpau ya kajing kemen bagatunat pulit kalala ban penklan shosho kamtam ban kintup lang yi Kynthei ha kani kakinhon ula benrap ru da kabaong ladangi keren habayadei bat ki Commando ngiju perkat baki badan ha kani kakinhon kidai tang ki shenrang hanrai mentang ngi yoi baki Kynthei ru kila ban le ya ka ei ka baki shenrang kila.
Meghalaya Police has traveled a long journey for the last 50 years, and we have seen the commitment of the Meghalaya Police. We have seen that they have shown the ability to deal with any situation arise in the state of Meghalaya. They have shown not only the state of Meghalaya, wherever the country needs them, they have shown that they capability and ability. And today, it marks an important day where the first human commando warrior of SF10 will be inducted. Policing nowadays is a very dynamic, and it is not very easy for any police to do their job because everything is being monitored, everything it is being. We are living in the world where we cannot hide anything. But today, most importantly, I am very thankful to the police department for taking this initiative to induct this women police commando. As we know, God has given us the body, God has given us the strength, and God has given us the mental ability to deal with any situation. I congratulate this commando for being taken this as a profession, and I'm sure that from today's onwards you will be able to deal with any situation arises for the benefit of the people of the state, for the benefit of the citizen of the state. I'm sure that you will be a leading example for the other women police and the women as a whole of the state to join the police department so that they will be able to serve the state better.
For the women in our society. And I must take this opportunity to mention this. That always when we think of commandos, then we always think that only men can be in those forces. But the women of Meghalaya have proved that thought wrong. The women of Meghalaya have proved that they are second to none.